Let's keep me going. Me. Point guard. What's trying that? What's up, my name? Marcus. Shit. Last man standing, nigga.
On the phone with P-Ski, man. On the phone with P-Ski. But look though, man, Elmo, man. What's the day? What's the day, Shamu? You know what I'm saying? What's the day though? 7th. Last the day the 7th, man. Motherfucking last man standing, motherfucking. So they last motherfucking man standing mixtape release party. You know what I mean? We about to go shut this motherfucking shit down for me. Got my nigga Damo, got my nigga 6'4" right here. I'm saying, fuck it, man, squad. Everybody have a good time, man. Everybody have fun, man. You know what I mean? A lot of love and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have a good time. Home, got my son. You know what I mean? Because P-Ski right there. Could have pulled up and shit. Shout out to them bitches who be living for the moment. Pulled up. My boy. Modern man. Crazy. P-Ski, you know what I mean?
Boy, turn up.
What's
up, baby? Long time no see.
Going this shit, man. Niggas got them about to get ready to go goddamn rock.
What's tonight? Vanity?
Vanity, man. Gonna be a Vanity man portion, man. Shout out to my nigga, shout out to my nigga G Hicks, you know what I mean? Nigga came through and shit, you know what I mean? That nigga rock over there and shit, you know what I mean? So shit gonna be mad crazy, man. We have a good time, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all about having fun and shit, you know what I'm saying? About a few bottles.
Goosey ball.
I mean, pop a few bottles and all that, you know what I mean? Just have fun, man, for the family, man, my friends, man, my supporters. That's what it's for, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't really care about nobody else, you know what I mean? We really want to do our own thing, man.
No question.
757, man, live Reppin, man, volume 2, man. Fuck a squad, nigga, you know what I mean? Squad, nigga.
A lot of fake love, you just gotta know the difference. It's money to be made, you just gotta know the business. You gotta know you can't take everybody in attendance. Certified hugger, talk that, cause I'm bout it. You see me putting in the work, so you ain't got it down. Shit. This nigga you corny, and bitch you phony, and I don't fuck with you. Fuck with you. Straight like that, nigga. Shit, nigga. Yeah. This nigga you corny, and bitch you phony, and I don't fuck with you. Fuck with you.
Good. Last man standing in the streets. Y'all Portsmouth. You having a good time, man. Good people in the building. It's all love, man. Ain't no hate in the building, man. Everybody. Hey, last man standing, man. On the bottom now. Yeah. Fuck a hater. Fuck a hater. I got an application for you. Cornball shout out. Twitter, cornball shout out. I'm a cornball. Not even. Cornball from the streets. Hey, look. Hey, look, we got an application for a hater. Full-time job. If you want to be a hater and you want a full-time job, call me in the morning. 911, kill yourself. Happy birthday.
That's a different brand of tissue. It's like being real no more, it ain't official. Back then, niggas had to bang it out when they dish you. You couldn't come around wearing shit that's unofficial. Fitted clothes in now, niggas get with it. Cause that baggy bullshit y'all be wearing look ridiculous. Niggas bad mouth their own man to the bitches like it's cool to be all up in everybody business. You pull up in that old ass Benz like you shitting. But your training bad and having problems with your engine. I don't hate, I'm getting money, motherfucker, what you saying? And you bragging while you broke. My reply is nigga, and that shit is for the birds.
757, man, live Reppin, man, volume 2, man. Fuck squad, niggas, you know what I mean? Squad,
every
nigga.
bitch screaming they the baddest when they ratchet and they struggle trying to live above average. Cause nigga, you corny, and bitch, you phony, and I don't fuck with you. Fuck with you, straight like that, nigga. Yeah. Cause nigga, you corny, and bitch, you phony.